Are you looking for a quick way to search for a message in the WhatsApp PC app after the latest update? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll guide you through the simple steps to find any message in just a few clicks. Let's get started. First, open your WhatsApp account on your PC. Make sure you're logged in, either through the WhatsApp web or by using the desktop app. Once you're ready, you'll see all your chats listed on the left side of the screen. Next, focus on the top of your chat list. You'll find the search bar there. Click on it, and it will allow you to enter your search terms. Now, here's the fun part. Type in the message you're trying to find. Whether it's a word, a phrase, or even a date, just enter what you remember. The search feature is pretty smart and will filter your messages based on your input. Finally, once you hit enter, the app will show you a list of messages that match your search criteria. Scroll through the results, and you'll see your message highlighted for easy access. Click on it, and you'll be taken directly to the conversation where it happened. And that's it. You've successfully searched for a message in WhatsApp on your PC app. This new update has made it easier than ever to find those important conversations quickly. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips, and let us know in the comments if you found this feature useful. Thanks for watching.